Alright guys, I want to show y'all what my dad's truck is doing. Right. Under normal circumstances, you can turn on just fine, no big deal. Right? Turn that off. Okay, but problem is, anytime we get air up in here, right? If I refill this, when I go to try to turn it on, it doesn't start up. It has all kinds of trouble, and then it just doesn't want to start. It's kind of problematic. So I suspect it's because whenever air gets in here, the purge canister, the purge valve or whatever it's called, doesn't get rid of the air that was just introduced into the lines or whatever it is. I'm not a mechanic, but I also don't want to pay mechanic prices to get this done. Let's see if it's gonna do it. Okay, well, yeah, I didn't fuel up, but it happens every time I fuel up. It doesn't want to start, right? If it does, it just like comes on briefly and has trouble. So I went ahead and bought the purge solenoid something or other, and I believe this is it right here. So if yours has the plastic cover, you gotta take that plastic cover off first, right? Your plastic cover will be sitting up there. You gotta go ahead and take that off in order to access it. And there it is. I went to my local AutoZone. You can go to whichever is your local auto parts dealer and get a replacement here. All right, so there you have it. And it looks pretty much identical to the last one. All you gotta do is replace it. So we're gonna go ahead and start off by pulling this out so that I can unscrew this one and take this off. Ooh. And there it goes. Okay, now that I've got this one removed, I'm gonna go ahead and pull that one off. It's got like a little tab up here, so you can't just pull it off. You need to insert like a flathead screwdriver in there to pull that off. And then these right here, just loosen those. Now I need both hands to pull these off, so I'm gonna go ahead and put down the camera. Oh, I guess not. I thought I needed both hands. Now, looks like this one's been replaced before, because that screw is already stripped out. Quite unfortunate. Alright guys, so I had to unscrew it like so. This is the new one, so now I'm just putting it back in. So here we're gonna go ahead and place our new part. Alright, so we go ahead and put back our sensor, our fuel line. Put that back. Go ahead and put the other fuel line. Put that, and we're done. That's how you replace your canister fuel purge valve solenoid. I don't know exactly what it's called, but it's that thing. That's how you replace it. And let's put some fuel inside and see if we can figure out if that was the problem. Now for the moment of truth. Started right up.
Started right up.
Yep.
That's what it was.
So that's what it was, yeah.
Yep.
Wow.
That's great.
Yeah, it is.